Hi, my name is Eric Brockmire, president and owner of the Honest Water Filter Company. And did you know? Our product has a couple of things about where the water goes in and where the water goes out. Here's your typical head. In is always on the bottom. Out is always on the top, no matter what. So here's some variations. On our silver, you can go in and out on the same side. So in, through the system, and then it'll come out back to the house. So silvers, without what's called the serial port, and we'll go over that in another video, you don't use a serial port on our silver units. Let me be clear. On our silver standalone, that means it's by itself. There's no other cartridges on it like the ultra filter or diamond. It's just two silver cartridges. When you have two silver cartridges, you're more than okay to go in on the bottom and out on the top. Now, let's imagine for a minute you didn't want to do that because of the orientation of your plumbing. You can always go in on the bottom and you can come out on the top on the other side. That's okay too. But if you ever have a serial port, which we'll go over, and it's very highly unlikely you'll have that except when you're installing our diamond unit, you will always have that. And that's already coming oriented, for the right direction. Anyway, that's really simple. We wanted to remind you on this video to troubleshoot that inspect your inlet and outlet. Make sure they're not leaking. The other thing you want to know is on all of our products, there are always two heads together. And so that will look something like this. So we're going to put this one on. Notice how the clip goes in easy. And then we're going to put this here. Well, I screwed that up. Guys, just hang on for a minute. Let me fix it. I didn't have myself oriented right. So be careful when you do it. So I took this apart. Let's take this apart. Let's put this in this unit here. So when you do, you rotate, make it simple. We have an indentation here in order to get this clip in. Very simple to do. Simply push down. If you have it flat on the ground, and I don't know if our videographer can see it, but here's the reality. It just pushes in together, and it's always oriented correctly when that happens. Once you do that, you'll put the clips in. They should go in very easily. As you can see, they were already twisted correctly. So this is it. Now this one was actually set up to go in on the bottom, a plug out on the top. You see how this one already has a plug. So I was just using this for our example. But this is what a typical silver would be. You would have a 1-inch inlet here, and you would have a plug here. It's really that simple. I hope you get super value out of this troubleshooting video. Anyway, appreciate your time. If you have any questions whatsoever or you're lost on a job, please feel free to hit the SOS button and describe to me your challenge, and I'll be happy to get back to you within 5 to 10 minutes. Again, thanks for joining us on Did You Know? Have a great day.